Hey guys, today I have a little PR haul for you. I'm really excited, but let's just get straight into it. So first, Hideaway sent me over some things which I'm so grateful for. I'm really excited and yeah, just super grateful to have another new brand that I've been working with. And yeah, they sent me some really nice things. So the first thing they sent me was this body custard. This is in the shade. This is in the fragrance Violet Crush. Oh, it smells amazing. So this is they're like a new line at the moment. It's like dupes of the Sol de Janeiro line. So this Violet Crush one is a dupe of the, you know, the new one that Sol de Janeiro have, the purple one. Oh, that's just one of my nose. Whoops. Oh my god, I just Oops. But yeah, this smells absolutely incredible, and I do really like their body custard formula, so I'm really excited about this. And then the next thing that they sent me was the perfume in Pistachio Paradise. And how cute's the little bottle, I love it. And this, this is a dupe of like, I'm pretty sure this is a dupe of the original one, the Bum Bum Cream. No, yeah, Bum Bum Cream. Sorry, I don't remember the names. This smells so good, so incredible. I cannot. When I got this, it came, like I get everything delivered to my workplace, and when it came, like my sister was there and she smelt it and she's like, I'm going on the website and I'm buying it. So good. So yeah, Hideaway sent me over those things, which was so lovely of them, so thank you so much, Hideaway, for sending that over. Then I got a parcel from Colourpop, and it's their new stuff from the Winx Club collection, which is so cute. So, they've restocked their Just Like Magic powder palette. They've also restocked the Ultra Glossy Lips, the Glitterly Obsessed, and the Crystal Face Jewels. And now they have two new products, which is the Multi-Chrome Shadow Sticks and the Super Shock Highlighter. So, thank you so much, Colourpop. I'm so excited for this, because I actually had my eye on this, and then I opened it, and they sent it over. Okay, let's have a look at the shadow sticks first. So there's 6 of them. So cute. So the first one we have is called Golden Pollen. Let's open them up and have a look. The packaging of these is absolutely stunning as well. So cute. Oh wow, they're actually so stunning. So this is the first shade. That's beautiful. Then we have Rising Sun. How cute is the packaging? Like, once again, how am I meant to throw that out? Like, I love cute packaging, but I also hate it because I'm like, I can't hold on to the packaging forever. Oh, so pretty. I really want to swatch these. How pretty is that? So that one was Rising Sun. Then we have Sonic Blast. Super cute. Ooh, this is super cool. This is like green and pink. How cool is that? This is Fury of the Dragon. How cool is she? Love her. Oh, that one's absolutely stunning. This and like the first green one are probably my favourites so far. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. This is Morphix Shield. She's really cool too. Love her. Oh, that might be my favourite. How stunning is that one? I need to swatch that one. I need to know. These are really creamy. That's absolutely beautiful. I swatched it in the worst place. How cool is that? I'm sorry, that was like the worst swatch ever. I love that one though. And then the last one we have is Static Sphere, and she's really cool too. They're all really cool, let's be honest. And that's gorgeous as well. This one's like lavender and like blue. So pretty. So yeah, I feel like that's such fun products, and I feel like that'd be these are like such a cool little addition to the palette. So I love those. And I don't know, there's something about the Winx Club that is just like, I don't know, it's so like, what's the word? Like, it makes me like gravitate towards it so much. Then we have a Super Shock Highlighter. Oh, it's so cute. You've got all of them on the front. It's called Magic's Gem. If it's one of those tie-dye ones, I absolutely love those. Super cute. Oh, that's stunning. That is so cool. Look at it. That's the coolest thing ever. So yeah, that is everything that was sent to me. So thank you so much to ColourPop and Hideaway for sending these goodies over. I am so grateful. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!